Hello students, myself Mehul Kodia from LG Institutes of Engineering and Technology. So in last session we discussed one numerical based on reflection about line y is equal to mx plus c, and in today's session we have to learn one new topic, that is three-dimensional geometric transformation. Okay. So what is three-dimensional geometric transformation? So in this chapter we already discussed what is two-dimensional geometric transformation. Also we derive equation of the all type of two-dimensional geometric transformation. Next we discuss homogeneous geometric transformation. Also we derive equation for the homogeneous geometric transformation, for the translation, for the rotation, for the reflection, shearing, and for the scaling. Now you all know what is translation, what is reflection, what is rotation, and everything. So in today's session we have to discuss three-dimensional geometric transformation. So in this lecture we have to derive equation for the all the processes of the geometric transformation for the three-dimensional. Okay. So in three-dimensional we have to consider all the coordinates, means all three coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate, and z coordinate. Okay. So in today's session we have to start 3D geometric transformation. So 3D geometric transformation in computer graphics, transformation is a process of modifying and repositioning the existing graphics. Okay. In 3D transformation take place in a three-dimensional plane. Okay. So 2D transformation takes place in 2D plane, but whenever we discuss about three-dimensional plane, at that time we have to use 3D transformation. 3D transformation are important and bit more complex than 2D transformation. In 2D transformation, we have to just rotate any of the object in 2D plane. But in 3D plane, if we have to rotate any of the object or move any of the object, is little bit complex than 2D transformation. Okay. The transformation are helpful in changing the position, size, orientation, and shape of the body. Okay, that thing already you know. So this is the 3D transformation. In 3D geometric transformation, total 5 processes is there. This is you can see in this diagram. That is transformation in computer graphics. First one, translation. Now you all know what is the meaning of translation. Translation means if you want to move any of the object from one place to another place. That is the simple thing. This is the process of translation geometry transformation. Second one, rotation. If you want to rotate any of the object in anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction. Okay, so that is the process of rotational geometric transformation. Third one is the scaling. If you want to reduce size of any of the object or enlarge size of any of the object, that is the process of scaling. And next one, that is reflection. If you want to find out mirror image of any of the object about x-axis, about y-axis, clear, that is the process of mirroring or reflection. And last one, shearing. Shearing means if you want to enlarge any of the object in any of one direction, either in x direction or either in y direction, that is the simple thing, that is the process of shearing. So now we have to derive equation of each of the transformation. So first we have to derive equation of the translation. Now we already derived equation of the translation for the two-dimensional geometric transformation. So now we have to consider, or we have to derive equation for the three-dimensional geometric transformation. So a 3D translation in computer graphics, that is, in computer graphics, 3D translation is a process of moving or object from one position to another position in 3D dimensional plane. Okay. So let's consider initial coordinate of object O, that is x old comma y old comma z. Now we have to consider one point, and we have to consider one a new point, and we have to derive relationship between old point and new point. Okay. So first we have to consider coordinates of initial points, that is x old, y old, and z old. After that we have to give some translation of that point. Okay. So next, that is new coordinate of object O after translation. Okay. Now we give some translation of old point O, and we are getting one new points, and new point coordinates we have to consider like x new comma y new comma z new. The translation vector or shift vector is equal to tx comma ty comma tz. Now you all know tx means translation in x-axis, ty means translation in y-axis, and tz means translation in z-axis. Okay, so given a translation vector tx, ty, tz, where tx define the distance the x old coordinate has to be moved. What is ty? Ty defines the distance the y old coordinate has to be moved, and tz, that is the define the distance the z coordinate has to be moved. Okay, so tx, ty, and tz, that means it is the translation in x axis, y axis, and z axis. Okay, now from this figure you can easily understand that what is the translation. In this figure there is three axes, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. In this diagram we have 2 points. One point for the old point. Old point coordinates is O, and coordinates of old point, that is x old, y old, z old. And in this figure after giving translation, O point move to the O dash. That is the new position of O dash, and for the coordinate of the new position of O dash, that is x new, y new, and z new. Once we give translation in x axis up to tx, in y axis up to dy, and in z axis up to tz, at that time O point move to the new position, that is O dash position. Okay, so in this figure you can understand this thing easily. Now we have to derive equation for the translation. Now what is the x old point? We have one old point, and old point coordinates x coordinate, that is x old, y coordinate, that is y old, and z coordinate, that is z old. And in new point x coordinate, that is x new. So what is the relationship between x new and x old? So in x old coordinate you give translation of tx, that means you have to add tx value in x old, and you will get answer of the x new. So that is the relationship between x new coordinate and x old coordinate, that is x new is equal to x old plus tx. Okay, what is y new? Y new is equal to y old plus dy, and what is z new? Z new is equal to z old plus tz. So that is this simple translation in three-dimensional geometric transformation. Okay. Now we already derived equation for the homogeneous transformation for the translation, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 tx ty 1, because in that case we just give translation only in two axes, x axis and y axis. Now we have to add one more axis, that is z axis. That's why this matrix converted into 4 cross 4 matrix, because we have to consider tx, ty, and tz. Okay, so equation of that, that is x new, y new, z new 1 is equal to 1 0 0 tx 0 1 0 ty 0 0 1 tz 0 0 0 1. That is the translation matrix. Okay, here I write translation matrix in transpose form. Okay, now you all know what is the transpose form. If you convert any of the matrix, if you convert all row into all column, at that time that matrix consider as a transpose matrix. Okay, into x old, y old, z old. If you multiply these two matrices, and you will get answer of the above equation. Suppose if you multiply first row with first column, at that time you will get answer of the x new, like 1 into x old plus 0 into y old plus 0 into z old plus tx into 1, and the answer is x old plus tx. Okay. If you multiply second row with first column, at that time you will get answer of the y new. Okay, so second row, that is 0 into tx old plus 1 into y old plus 0 into z old plus ty into 1, and you will get answer, that is y new is equal to y old plus ty. Same way, if you multiply third row with first column, at that time you will get z new is equal to z old plus dz. Okay, so this is the three-dimensional translation in computer graphics. It is this 3D geometric transformation. Okay, in this case you have to give translation in all the three axes: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Okay, so this is the translation matrix for the three-dimensional plane. Okay, so in next session we have to discuss further more three process like rotation, reflection, and scale for the three-dimensional plane. Okay.